My lavish, that had my heart, broke my heart into pieces. Why this alcohol, so no sympathy. That bitch broke me, turned me into a savage. Now look what that bitch done did to me. You know what the fuck going on? I'm on my Ratchet shit, my savage shit, no lacking shit. C2 clip, under my gun, I'm from that door. That's it. I upgraded from a assassinate bitch. Now I love her. Classic bitch. I done took her off guard. Pick. Shit out. Double TK, swing that K. Heartbreak tray. Hey, Adam the Queen. Boom. Clean up the fuck. And I don't know how to caption this. This one bitch, bro, beat like an 808 drum. She be on some nasty shit. I'm from that north side in Lakeland, Florida, North 98. I'm like, hold up, I'm hyped as the I'm so loaded up. As I rolled up, I got a blunt in my hand. As I done rolled up, I pressed the button, then started stunting. That's when all does bows out. People know that's as I popped out the car and I rose up. When it's time for me to perform, I rap high to my shots up. I love assault rifles, semi-autos, and I really kill. For 38s, I'm from Central Florida, near that down south, where niggas riding don'ts, and they go on the skates. I'm on my Ratchet shit, my savage, no lackish. C2 clip, under my gun, I'm fighting door. Sit here. Hey man, you know what? Go on. No, man, listen, bro. Just that shit. I wish a nigga would. Real shit, ain't somebody wood that go in a motherfucking kitchen cabinet. No, what's going on?